In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Remote Play on Steam quickly and efficiently. Remote Play is a fantastic feature that allows you to stream games from your PC to another device. To start, open your Steam app. Ensure that it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you've launched it, you'll need to log into your Steam account if you haven't done so already. Click on the login button and enter your account name and password. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, click on the sign in button to access your account. Now that you're logged into Steam, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You can find this by looking towards the top left of your Steam window. It should be among the options there. Once you're in the settings, find and click on Remote Play. This is where you'll access all the settings you need to configure Remote Play. In the Remote Play settings, take a look at the options available. You'll want to ensure that Allow Direct Connection is set to automatic, which typically appears as enabled. This option allows your devices to communicate directly using IP sharing for a smoother gaming experience. Next, toggle on the Enable Advanced Host options. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. It's intended to give you more control over your streaming performance, enhancing your gaming experience. Once the advanced options are enabled, ensure Enable Hardware Encoding is also turned on. This option takes advantage of your computer's hardware to encode your game faster, which can significantly reduce lag during your gameplay sessions. Additionally, toggle on the Prioritize Network Traffic option. This setting helps ensure that your gaming data is given high priority over other types of network traffic, making your remote play more responsive and seamless. Under the section for Enable Advanced Client Options, you can adjust a few more settings. Set your video quality to fast. This option is generally the best for maintaining speed and performance, especially if your network isn't super fast. If you're comfortable with your internet speed, set the bandwidth limit to unlimited, but remember, you can choose another setting that works better with your internet plan. Finally, ensure the resolution limit is set to automatic. This setting allows Steam to adapt the resolution based on your network conditions for the best balance between quality and performance. Lastly, switch on hardware decoding to make sure that the receiving device can decode video more effectively, which again boosts efficiency and minimizes delays. Once you've followed these steps, click OK to save your settings. You're now ready to start streaming and enjoy your games on any device you prefer. Happy gaming!